I better go get my sisters to tell them it's raining. I can't wait to go out there. Guys! Guys! It's raining, come on! Guys! Oh, hi, Jenna. Why'd you call me? Oh, it's raining outside. So, oh yeah, it is raining. So I was thinking that we could just all go out there and splash in the puddles and all that stuff. Oh yeah, that is a good idea. Okay, I'll get my coat on right now. And my boots. Did somebody say rain? I wanna go outside in the rain. Hi girls, what are you doing? Oh, we were just gonna go outside in the rain, so we were just wondering if you could watch us. Oh girls, you can't go out there today. Why not? Girls, the weather said there was gonna be a tornado, so you can't go out there. Aww. But you can get your tent down, play in it. So that way you could have more fun. Okay, we could do that. Yeah, we could do that. That sounds fun. I mean, I like that idea. Yeah, and the rain will make it sound like that we're actually outside. Yeah, I agree. I still think we could have played out there, but I guess that's fine. Okay, girls, let me go get set up and then you guys can play in it. Okay, here it is, all set up. Yay! Hey guys, what do you think it's gonna be like outside? I think that answers your question. But, since we're in this tent, let's go get some blankets and pillows and decorate. Yay! Okay, let's go. Here I go. Wait for me. And me. Okay, I think I'm gonna get some blankets and pillows. Ah, there's some. Here we go. Now I can go back to the tent. Okay, I'm just gonna get some stuffies. Right from here. Here we go. Whoa, what? Almost got them. Got them. Let's go. I didn't know what to bring, so I didn't bring anything. Where's Lily? Lily? Hello? Lily? I think it's pretty obvious of what I got. I got stuffies. Okay, then let's start decorating.
Much later.
Okay, we're all done, but I think we should invite some of our sisters, because it's starting to get a bit boring. Okay, I'll go and invite them. Yay! It looks really nice in here. I bought my own blanket. So yeah. Well, I bought my own blanket too. But what should you do now? Well, let's set up our beds and then we could get in our pajamas. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, I'm done. I got mine all laid out right now. And yeah. Has all kinds of flowers on it. I have mine done too. Has a butterfly on it. I like it. Ooh. Mine has hearts on it. Mine has butterflies on it. And ours is already up. So let's get on pajamas. Wait for me. Wait. Whee! So what should we do now? How about we attach the tube to our tent and put our blankets inside? Magical! Oh yeah, I like that idea. Me too. Me three. Okay, I'll attach the tube. Whee! Okay, I attached it. Now we can put our blankets inside. Okay, I'll put mine in there first. This is nice. And we'll sleep right here. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night.